Imagine a planet so enormous that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. A world where storms have raged for centuries. A planet so powerful that its gravity may have helped protect life on Earth. This isn't science fiction. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. With breathtaking storms, over 90 known moons, and a magnetic field unlike anything else among the planets, Jupiter is truly a giant. Today we're going on an incredible journey to discover its secrets. Let's begin. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and by far the largest planet in our solar system. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 778 million kilometers, nearly 5 times farther away than Earth. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has no solid ground. It is known as a gas giant because it is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that fuel the Sun. Scientists believe Jupiter formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after the birth of the solar system. Its enormous gravity helped shape the paths of many other planets and countless asteroids. In many ways, Jupiter became the architect of our solar system. One of Jupiter's most famous features is the Great Red Spot. At first glance, it looks like a giant red eye staring back into space, but it's actually the largest storm ever discovered in our solar system. This enormous storm has been raging for at least 350 years. Scientists believe it may be even older, but no one knows exactly when it first formed. The Great Red Spot is so massive that Earth could fit inside it. Powerful winds inside the storm can reach speeds of more than 600 kilometers per hour, creating one of the most violent environments in the solar system. Unlike hurricanes on Earth, Jupiter's Great Red Spot has no land or oceans to slow it down. Instead, it continues spinning through the planet's thick atmosphere year after year. Although the storm is slowly shrinking, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in planetary science. No spacecraft has ever landed inside it, and scientists are still trying to understand why it has survived for so long. The colorful cloud bands surrounding the Great Red Spot move at different speeds and in opposite directions. These powerful jet streams constantly collide, creating new storms, swirling clouds, and breathtaking patterns that stretch across the entire planet. Jupiter's atmosphere is always changing. Every time a spacecraft photographs the planet, scientists discover something new. What would happen if you tried to land on Jupiter? The answer is simple. You couldn't. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has no solid surface. Its upper layers are made of thick clouds composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. As you descend through the atmosphere, the pressure increases rapidly. The deeper you go, the hotter it becomes. The colorful clouds that we see from space are only the very top of Jupiter's atmosphere. Below them lies an endless ocean of compressed gas. As the pressure continues to rise, something extraordinary happens. Hydrogen, the lightest element in the universe, begins to behave like a liquid. Far below the clouds, scientists believe there is a vast ocean of liquid hydrogen. Even deeper, the pressure becomes so extreme that hydrogen transforms into metallic hydrogen. This is one of the strangest materials in the solar system. Metallic hydrogen can conduct electricity like a metal. Scientists believe this enormous layer is responsible for generating Jupiter's incredibly powerful magnetic field. The conditions inside Jupiter are almost impossible to imagine. Temperatures reach thousands of degrees Celsius. Pressure becomes millions of times greater than the air pressure on Earth. No spacecraft built by humans could survive such an environment. At the very center of Jupiter may lie a dense core made of rock, ice, and heavy elements. However, scientists are still debating its exact size and composition. Even NASA's Juno spacecraft is helping researchers uncover new clues about what lies hidden beneath Jupiter's endless clouds. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the true nature of this incredible giant. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's the center of its own miniature solar system. Scientists have discovered more than 95 moons orbiting this giant world, and new ones continue to be found. Some are tiny, only a few kilometers across. Others are larger than entire planets. Among them, 4 moons stand out above all the others. They are known as the Galilean moons, first discovered by the famous astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610. These incredible worlds are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each one is unique. Each one hides extraordinary secrets. Let's explore them one by one. Io, the most volcanic world. Io is the most volcanically active object in the entire solar system. More than 400 active volcanoes continuously erupt across its surface. Massive plumes of sulfur and lava shoot hundreds of kilometers into space. The reason is Jupiter's immense gravity. As Io orbits the giant planet, powerful tidal forces constantly squeeze and stretch the moon. This creates enormous internal heat, melting rock deep beneath the surface. The result is a world that is constantly changing. No other place in the solar system experiences such intense volcanic activity. Europa, the moon that could hide life. Europa looks cold and lifeless. Its surface is covered by a thick layer of ice. But beneath that frozen shell, scientists believe something extraordinary exists, a vast liquid ocean. This hidden ocean may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. The water is kept liquid by heat generated inside the moon. Some scientists believe Europa could provide all the essential ingredients for life: liquid water, energy, and the necessary chemical elements. For this reason, Europa is considered one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial life. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is exploring this fascinating moon to learn whether it could truly support life. Ganymede, the giant moon. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is even larger than the planet Mercury. Unlike most moons, Ganymede has its own magnetic field. Scientists believe another hidden ocean exists beneath its icy crust. This remarkable world may contain multiple underground layers of liquid water separated by ice. Ganymede is a world unlike any other. Callisto, the ancient survivor. Callisto is the oldest and most heavily cratered moon around Jupiter. Its surface has remained almost unchanged for billions of years. Every crater tells the story of violent impacts during the early history of our solar system. Scientists believe Callisto may also hide a deep underground ocean. Because it experiences less radiation than the other Galilean moons, some researchers have even suggested that future human missions could one day establish a base there. Ending together, these four moons make Jupiter far more than just a giant planet. They are entire worlds waiting to be explored. Each one may hold answers to some of humanity's greatest questions. Could life exist beyond Earth? The search may begin right here. Jupiter isn't just the largest planet in our solar system. It may also be one of Earth's greatest protectors. Thanks to its enormous mass, Jupiter has an incredibly powerful gravitational pull. As comets and asteroids travel through the solar system, many of them pass near Jupiter. Some are pulled away from Earth's path. Others are captured by Jupiter's gravity. And some crash directly into the giant planet itself. One of the most dramatic examples happened in 1994. A comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 broke apart after being torn apart by Jupiter's gravity. Over several days, the comet's fragments slammed into Jupiter one after another. The explosions were so enormous that they left dark scars larger than Earth itself. For the first time in history, humanity witnessed a collision between two worlds. Events like this remind us that Jupiter constantly interacts with objects traveling through the solar system. Although scientists continue to study exactly how Jupiter affects impact risks for Earth, its immense gravity clearly plays a major role in shaping the paths of countless comets and asteroids. But Jupiter has another incredible feature. Its magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in the solar system. It is nearly 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This giant magnetic bubble stretches for millions of kilometers into space. Inside this invisible shield, high-energy particles move at incredible speeds. The radiation is so intense that an unprotected astronaut would survive only a short time near Jupiter. Even spacecraft must be specially designed to withstand these extreme conditions. NASA's Juno spacecraft carries heavy radiation shielding to protect its sensitive instruments while studying the planet. Jupiter is truly a world of extremes: the largest planet, the fastest rotation, the strongest magnetic field, the biggest storms, and some of the most fascinating moons ever discovered. Yet, despite everything we've learned, Jupiter still keeps many secrets. What lies deep beneath its clouds? How did the Great Red Spot survive for centuries? Could life exist beneath Europa's frozen surface? These questions continue to inspire scientists around the world. Every new mission brings us closer to understanding this incredible giant. Perhaps one day humans will travel to the Jovian system and unlock mysteries we can only imagine today. Until then, Jupiter remains one of the greatest wonders of our solar system. a giant, a protector, and a reminder of how extraordinary our universe truly is. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible documentaries about our universe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure.